3 weeks ago, I had 0 YouTube videos. Today, AI is making them for me. And the craziest part, I barely edit anything. Most people think YouTube takes hours of filming, editing, and expensive gear. But AI completely changed the game. You can literally create full YouTube videos without filming yourself. And today, I'll show you exactly how I make these videos step by step. Most of you have probably seen those viral videos with tiny, cute animals made with AI. Some pages are pulling millions of views just by creating them. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how they do it. Sit down, don't blink, because if you miss one step, the whole thing won't work. Let's start. The first thing that we will do is open ChatGPT, copy the prompts. You will find the exact prompts on the description. Go back to ChatGPT, paste the prompt and hit OK. ChatGPT will generate 8 unique ideas. We can pick a number, add a new prompt, or modify the prompt. Our request of modify will be applied automatically to all the ideas ChatGPT has already generated. After the new generation, we can pick a number and ChatGPT will create a full cinematic POV text-to-video prompt. After ChatGPT generates the prompts for the number we selected, ChatGPT will ask us to expand into an optimized, ready-to-feed text-to-video prompt with line breaks and formatting exactly tuned for all AI video generation tools. Then ChatGPT will create text-to-video prompt. We copy the prompt and go to a new page. Search for GoogleFlow login or create a new account. Create a new project, paste the prompt. Choose video. Choose the ratio inspection and choose which tool you would like to use. And hit OK. GoogleFlow will give you free credits daily. After a few moments, the GoogleFlow will create our requested videos. If you want, you can ask ChatGPT to create alternative phrasing variations of the prompt, and you choose the best one for rendering. Type yes, and ChatGPT will start creating the new requested options. Choose the one you like. Copy the prompt. Go to GoogleFlow, create a new project, paste the prompt, and create a new video.